Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, the Zim Tech guy. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing and setting up the T500 Plus smartwatch. All right, this is the charger that comes with the watch. It's a USB. This is the wristbands that comes with the watch. Right, white in color. See, on the other side, and another wristband. All right, let's just put that there. This is the watch face itself, and hey, first impressions, I can say it's actually quite hefty. Not sure how heavy it is. Let's see if we can just peel this off. Like I said, I think we all know where the inspiration for this watch came from. All right, it is a metallic frame, as you can see. Oh, all right, and there's the power button. Let's see if there's any power in here. Try switch it on. All right, and that was fast. So this is the watch. Okay. All right. Now for the language. This is Arabic. There's the manual as well. And the instruction, hopefully in English. Yes, they're in English. So let me see if I can read a bit on it. Let me see if I can read on it and see if I can change the language. All right, so let's see if we can connect this to the phone. Maybe we'll be able to change the language there. Okay, let's just put it down there. So this is the QR code. Now what we need to do is on your phone, if you've got an Android phone, try searching for a QR code reader. If you got an Android phone, you can search for a QR code reader like this one. Just press on it. This is how you connect to the phone, by the way. Just wait for it to launch. Right, as you can see, I've scanned the QR code. That's on the user guide. Now what we have to do on the phone, just click on this link. Right, alternatively, if this method is taking time, if you go on the user guide, it says generally you can download the Android app by searching HryFine in the Google Play Store. So let's try to do that. So if you look on the suggestions, there's the app. Let's just click on it. I don't know how you spell this. HryFine, is it refine or what? Maybe if you know what that means, just let me know in the comment section down below. Let's see if we can download this and pair the smartwatch to the phone. Installing. Just click open. All right, so privacy agreement, agree, allow to access photos, allow, yes, okay. Different kind of app. What is this? Let's see. Okay, it's asking for a nickname. Simtech guy. Just press OK. Yeah, just click OK for now. Okay. All right. Yes, your phone. Xiaomi user interfaces. That's what I'm using. Set function. Turn on battery saver. So yeah, it's got a few options, like you're saying, receive, why keep running in the background, what, and log background, this, that. I don't know. Let me just skip that for now. No. All right. So to connect this, to connect your phone to the T500 Plus, you need to come to the corner here and just click on this red thing. And when you do that, you get this permission description. The processor using this application needs to access the location. Just click allow. Click allow, exactly. All right, so click allow again. All right, so it's searching for the device. As you can see, there's the device, Watch 7. Just click on it. So you just click on it, it's connecting to the watch. All right, there's that vibration. It starts vibrating, and just click OK. Right, as you can see, automatically the time has changed. Let me see if the language. Oh, these are the watch faces. Let me see. As you can see, even the language as well has changed from Arabic. I was wondering how you're going to change that. Okay, so it has changed. Sleep, pedometer, sedentary. Yeah, that's been an unboxing and setting up of this device. I'll actually do a more detailed video, specifically for those who are just looking to just connect this device or connect any Android bracelet to their phone. So yeah, that's been it, guys. That's been just a quick unboxing of the T500 smartwatch. Let me see if I can just put these here. This is what the watch looks like, guys. It actually feels very premium for some reason. Yeah, so that's been a quick unboxing and setup of this device. Stay tuned for the full review. If you have any questions regarding this device, you can leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll get to them. And yeah, let me just play around with this for a bit and give you a full review. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. See you in the next video.